Best leaf blowers. With the growing need for efficient yard maintenance, high-quality leaf blowers have become a must-have for homeowners and gardeners alike. Durability, power, and ease of use are now top priorities as consumers look for tools that make leaf removal quick and effortless. This guide evaluates the best leaf blowers based on type, build quality, performance, ergonomics, and overall value, helping you choose a reliable model for both small gardens and larger outdoor spaces. Product number 1. Ego Power 3-Speed Turbo Leaf Blower. The Ego Power Plus LB5302 sets a high standard in cordless leaf blowers with its 56-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering an impressive 530 CFM airflow. Its 3-speed turbo mode allows users to switch between light, medium, and heavy-duty clearing, making it versatile for all yard sizes. The blower is designed with an ergonomic handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the robust construction ensures durability, while the cordless design offers freedom of movement without the hassle of cords. With its balance of power, lightweight design, and long battery life, the LB5302 is ideal for both homeowners and professional landscapers seeking efficiency and reliability in a premium tool. Product number 2. Cordless 21V Powerful Electric Leaf Blower. This 21V cordless leaf blower is perfect for smaller yards or quick cleanups. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, doubling the runtime and ensuring uninterrupted work. Lightweight and portable, this blower is easy to handle even in tight spaces. Its electric motor provides strong airflow, effectively moving leaves, grass clippings, and debris with minimal effort. The included charger ensures your batteries are always ready, making this model extremely convenient for regular yard maintenance. The combination of affordability, portability, and reliable performance makes this blower a great choice for homeowners looking for a practical, everyday solution without sacrificing quality. Product number 3. Electric Cordless Leaf Blower. This electric cordless leaf blower stands out for its 2-speed mode, allowing users to adjust airflow according to task intensity. Designed with lightweight materials, it minimizes strain during longer cleaning sessions while maintaining a solid feel. 2 included batteries ensure extended operation without interruption, and the fast charger quickly replenishes power for back-to-back tasks. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while the ergonomic handle adds comfort for all users. Perfect for small to medium yards, this blower balances efficiency, portability, and convenience, delivering reliable leaf clearing without the noise or mess of gas-powered alternatives. Product number 4. Handheld Electric Lightweight Blower. The 21V handheld electric leaf blower is a lightweight and convenient option for quick yard maintenance. Featuring a 2.0 AH rechargeable battery and fast charger, this blower ensures short downtime and consistent performance. Its handheld design allows precise control, making it ideal for tight corners, flower beds, and patios. Despite its compact size, the airflow is powerful enough to efficiently remove leaves and debris. Built with durable materials, it withstands regular outdoor use while remaining easy to handle. With a combination of affordability, portability, and sufficient power, this blower is a solid choice for homeowners seeking a dependable, no-fuss solution for everyday leaf clearing. Product number 5. eWork 21V Cordless Leaf Blower. The eWork 21V cordless leaf blower impresses with its turbo mode, delivering 550 CFM of airflow, ideal for tackling heavier leaf buildup. It comes with 2 3.0 AH batteries and a fast charger, ensuring long-lasting performance and minimal downtime. The ergonomic, lightweight design reduces user fatigue even during extended use. Its powerful motor efficiently clears leaves, grass, and light debris, while the cordless operation provides unrestricted movement around the yard. Combining strength, battery longevity, and user-friendly design, the eWork blower offers excellent value for homeowners who want professional-level performance in a portable, easy-to-use package.